Hey friends, this is B with another video for Whimsy stamps, and today we're gonna be making such a simple card. It is very quick, very easy, and it is perfect for the holidays. And we're gonna be using the Sentiment Happiest Holidays from the Ho 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 Dear stamp set. We're gonna be using this die right here, and it is from the Quick Strips 3 die set. And then we're gonna be using this stamp right here, which is gorgeous, from the Dickens Background Clear stamp. Let's go ahead and make a card. Okay, so for stamping, we're going to be using a piece of watercolor paper. I really like this watercolor paper because it's smooth. You know that watercolor paper usually has that texture, but this one, if you see it here, it's absolutely smooth, and I love that for stamping. And this I got from Amazon, and it is this gigantic pack of paper. It is huge, you guys, so I just cut it and use it. You can find it on Amazon. I don't know if somebody else has it, but I bought it from Amazon. Also, for my stamping, I usually use Memento Tuxedo Black ink because I color mostly with alcohol markers. But since we're gonna color with watercolors, I'm gonna use archival ink, and it's the jet black. And the watercolors I'm going to be using are the Ohuhu markers. They are the new, I don't know if they're new, but they're new to me. The watercolor pens, and of course you're going to need water and a brush. So here I have my stamp position already where I want it. And I'm gonna go ahead and stamp these, speed through this part, and come back to go ahead and start coloring. Okay, so here is my image already stamped. You may notice this is a different paper. When I was grabbing my ink pad, it fell on top of my already stamped image, so I had to stamp it again. But now I'm gonna speed it through this part, and we're gonna go ahead and watercolor. Okay, so here is my image complete and dry. What you saw me splattering all over is just some watercolor. This one is like kind of like a pearl white that I've had for years and years. Okay, so here I have my card base. I have chosen this shiny pastel pink for matting. I think it looks really good with the sky. And I'm just gonna go ahead and glue this down. Here's my image. I have put double-sided tape and I put it double, and I'm just gonna not center it but leave some space down here for my sentiment. Here I'm stamping my sentiment, Happiest of Holidays. Here's my sentiment, Happiest of Holidays, and I'm just gonna glue it down below my picture. And here's how my card turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you next time.